Ready to refresh your wardrobe without chasing every trend? In this video, I am sharing 8 effortlessly chic spring and summer 2025 fashion trends that are modern, flattering, and yes, actually wearable. Whether you are 35 or 65, these styles will have you looking fresh, elegant, and completely polished without sacrificing comfort. Okay, ladies, let's do this. Okay, ladies, this year's spring and summer 2025 trends are all about a blend of feminine and classic silhouettes. We love that here because we like a lot of the classics, don't we? Think soft pastels, asymmetry, elevated athleisure. Expect to see a mix of sheer fabrics, silk, and linen, as well as a focus on more sustainable materials. Numbers 1 and 2 combining 2 trends in one. We like that. Pastel colors and cable knit sweaters. Yes, lightweight cable knit sweaters. I know some of my friends in Arizona, this might be a bit hot for you, but if your area, just like mine, gets cooler in the evenings, you might like this one. Think pastels like butter yellow, soft pinks, sky blues. Try them in a lightweight cable knit sweater to add that rich, luxurious texture that we all love. Wear them alone or layer them over your shoulders for a just-in-case warmth option. This is exactly how I like to roll during the day. It's an easy, elevated, relaxed affluence look that also offers a bit of practicality. Number 3, asymmetry. From asymmetrical skirts, tops, asymmetry is going to be a reoccurring theme all this spring and summer. You'll find it all across necklines, skirts, and sleeves. It's also highly flattering, ladies, without trying too hard. Asymmetrical cuts specifically create a visual length and contouring of the body for a slimming, flattering look without being too tight. We don't like that during the summer. 3 key styling tips for asymmetrical pieces, ladies. Number 1, balance the look. If your top has one sleeve or one shoulder, keep the bottom half clean and structured like a pencil skirt or a wide leg trouser. Number 2, keep the accessories minimal. Let the design be the focus. Think delicate earrings, simple heels, and a nice sleek clutch. Number 3, choose light fabrics, especially for dresses and skirts. This serves to enhance the flow and softness of the piece. Quick style tip, ladies. For summer, I highly recommend investing in a thick, high quality, non-see-through ribbed tank top. These can be dressed up and down. It's going to be a fundamental layering piece. You can wear it alone, layered under a shirt, a lightweight linen blazer. You can wear it with everything from cargo pants all the way up to sleek skirts for that high-low look. My new favorite find is a brand called Donnie. I just bought this. This is a very high quality ribbed piece that holds you in without being tight. Look at the fabric. This is so wonderful. I love this. And it's not chintzy. It's not see-through. It has a slight shapewear-esque vibe, but it's still a very comfortable tank top. I discovered this at a little boutique near the hotel that we're staying, and I loved it so much I went online and I bought it in 4 other colors. It's that amazing. It's the perfect summer essential. I wear it alone, I layer it up. I mean, you can't go wrong with a good basic tank. Number 4, elevated white pieces. Crisp white is always a yes for summer, but this year it's all about texture also. Think eyelet, broderie anglaise, and linen blends. Think a white wide leg pant with a tank and gold accessories. Wouldn't that just be stunning? A midi dress with cutout embroidery or an eyelet sundress, classic. For shoes, think white leather mules or sandals with gold details, a raffia or straw handbag with white leather trim. Number 5, sculptural flats. I love a good summer flat. This year, it's all about comfort with an architectural twist. Flats now have asymmetric straps or woven elements that add visual interest for a subtle, not trying too hard statement. Wear with cropped trousers, a knee-length sundress, tailored shorts, or even a midi skirt to show them off. Go for styles with minimal hardware in tan, ivory, or metallics. Or, of course, you can indulge in the soft pastel trend with versions in your butter yellow, your soft blues, pinks, anything that you love. Elevated athleisure. How excited are you about this? As excited as I am, I'll bet. This is my jam, ma'am. Expect to see more sophisticated takes on athletic wear, with everybody from fast fashion brands all the way up to luxury brands offering more refined, understated versions of athleisure. This is the perfect look for around town, traveling, errand running, or just weekending. Think high-low styling it in 3 different ways. Number 1, tailored touches. pairing activewear with blazers, structured jackets, or even high-waisted skirts for a polished edge. Number 2, incorporate luxury fabrics and detailing. Luxury fabrics like silk, linen, or statement accessories like bold jewelry, a bag to elevate the entire look. Number 3, incorporate unexpected footwear. Switching up sneakers for heels or sandals adds that little elevated polished touch. Track pants can be styled with heels and bags for an effortless on-the-go vibe. Retro-inspired jeans with the 80s silhouette and 70s inspired wide legs. Can you say effortless summer vibe? I love this one. Think high rises and crisp pleats to give structure and volume. Lighter washes and the raw hem is back in style for that vibey summery look. Now, I personally do not like too much of a raw hem. You know, the raw hem where the strings are, hanging down. I just personally think it looks junky and unkempt, but you do you. So what I do if I really love the jean and I want to participate in the raw hem trend, I buy a nice raw hem and I just make sure to clip the extra strings off so it doesn't look too junky, but you do you. Style it easily and effortlessly with tanks, camis, or even light flowy blouses for that effortless summer vibe. Side note, ladies, the wide leg silhouette works perfectly across all body types. It's extremely flattering. It's one of those universal looks good on everybody pant silhouettes. Now, if you're petite like me, be careful of how much volume the wide leg is giving you. I usually shop specifically for petite jeans because it's made with our, what's the word I'm looking for? Our dimensions in mind. 6, a white maxi skirt. For spring summer 2025, long skirts and specifically white long skirts are in like Flynn, yo. They are the essential summer statement piece. And fortunately, they're really easy to wear and very easy to style. Think of it as the white tee of your lower half. Extremely versatile, goes with everything. Wear with tanks, tees, button-ups, camis, even a lightweight sweater. Understated sophistication, you can't go wrong. Whether cotton poplin or linen blend, or the romantic eyelet, a white maxi or midi skirt is the perfect canvas for your own personal style. 3 reasons the white maxi works for us, ladies. Number 1, quiet luxury. It's still a dominant theme, which I personally love because I love that sort of laid back, relaxed, affluent look. And white skirts fit perfectly into the vibe of understated refinement. Number 2 is versatility. Versatility is important. A white skirt lets us do more with less and get much more mileage out of the piece than maybe something a little more trendy. Dress it down with a pair of sneakers like the ones I'm wearing. Aren't these cute? These are my new low profile sneakers. They weren't expensive. Or of course you can kick it up with a simple heel. Very versatile. And finally, modesty and comfort continues to reign supreme, and this fits the bill. Skirt over pants. Oh my God, do you remember this from the late 90s or early 2000s? I mean, come on, I remember seeing Britney Spears wearing this and thinking, ooh, that's so cool. Just like it sounds, it involves wearing a skirt or a skirt-like look over pants to give your outfit an unexpected modern twist. This gives you the structured look of a tailored skirt with the comfort of a pant. We like that. At first glance, you might think, oh, that's not wearable, but I disagree. I think it adds a chic little modern twist without being too out there, and they're very comfortable. The length of the skirt, the volume of the skirt and or the pant is going to vary with your height and size. You want something that flatters you. For us petites like me at 5'2", I am going to keep it pretty darn streamlined. We don't want to be overwhelmed by fabric, do we, ladies? I'm also going to keep the top very streamlined, erring on the side of a more fitted look in order to balance out the volume of the bottom half. You will see me wearing these. I'll wear it with a fitted tank, a tee, animal print, specifically zebra and cow animal print. Now, I do not particularly care for big animal print pieces. I mean, I just feel like I literally look like a cow if I'm wearing like a cow jacket or a cow shirt. I specifically will integrate it into smaller items like a belt, a chic little shoe, a sleek bag or clutch, just small little winks of the trend. For example, I do love these chic little flats from Reformation. These say chic accent piece, no doubt. This is the perfect way to bump up an otherwise boring outfit, participate in the trend. I just think it looks good. Something as simple as a white button-up, a denim wide leg, and a pair of beautiful oversized sunglasses put this shoe on and all of a sudden you look completely elevated. If you do love the idea of a larger statement piece, remember ladies, we're all about you do you. You can combine two trends in one. The asymmetric zebra print top, $69. It's a great price. You can certainly style it similarly to the model, or what I might do is tuck it into a higher waist silk trouser for a little more of a refined look. Add a flat sandal for day, a heel for night to kick it up a bit. And if you want to know about dated shoe trends, you're not going to want to miss my next video. 5 dated shoe trends for 2025 and what to wear instead. Okay, ladies, have a great weekend and I will see you Tuesday. Take care.